Introducing the patent-pending 1690 series locker lock, the best lock for single-point locking applications. The 1690 series locker lock combines the slam-shut convenience of the 1652 series spring bolt lock and the deadbolt security of the 1670 series. With far superior security, the 1690 provides this security with an innovation: wraparound latch technology. The 1690 has been designed to be the most secure built-in single-point locking system ever. Here's how it works. Like current spring bolt and deadbolt locks, the 1690 uses a 3-number combination or a supervisory key to open the lock. The latch mechanism is very different from what you've seen before in locker locks. The 1690 features a robust rotating latch that, when locked, wraps securely around the latch plate. It's the same time-tested technology used in automotive door locking systems. Let's look at it again in slow motion. Slam-shut convenience and enhanced deadbolt security. Simply close the door. The wraparound latch automatically engages and the locker is deadbolt secure. The wraparound latch design makes the single-point 1690 extremely resistant to forcing or prying open. The lock latch cannot easily be separated from the latch plate through horizontal or vertical prying. In addition, the 1690 features a deadbolt latch that automatically locks into position once the locker door is shut, preventing defeating the lock by attempts to move or shim the latch open. The 1690 is designed for fast and easy installation. During installation and under the rigors of daily use, the 1690 is less likely to need adjustment to perform flawlessly. Horizontal tolerances are traditionally the most difficult to maintain because of flexing and lateral movement of the locker frame. The 1690 latch mechanism is designed to solve this problem through offering a much wider horizontal operating range versus other combination built-in solutions. Fewer installation callbacks and reduced maintenance costs are its hallmarks. The 1690 includes all of the standard features available on Master Lock built-in locker locks, including supervisory key override, 5 combinations allowing for reuse year after year, and colored dials. Master Lock has a worldwide network of local sales representatives, locker, and school supply distributors. Our factory-trained sales representatives provide unmatched expert planning, product selection, control chart, and support services. You can trust Master Lock for the locker lock products, security support, and service you need. For more information, contact your local Master Lock sales representative or visit our website at masterlock.com/school.